Hello, hello, hello everybody, and welcome back. Root Beer here with more of our 2009 Gauss paper, and we are looking at question 18. In a class of 40 students, 18 said they liked apple pie, 15 said they liked chocolate cake, and 12 said they did not like either. How many students in the class liked both? I assume they mean both apple pie and chocolate cake. Okay, this is sort of a very basic inclusion-exclusion style question. How do we count these sorts of things? Well, we know that 18 liked apple pie. I'm just going to abbreviate that for A. And we know 15 liked, chocolate cake, right? Okay. So, and we know there's 40 students in total, and we know 12 didn't like either. So not apple or chocolate. So that's going to give me 28 liked neither. Or not 28 liked neither. 28 liked either, at least one. Apple pie or chocolate. Okay, so this question is very much about reasoning. So 18 like apple pie, 15 like chocolate, and we know 28 in total like at least one of them. Because if they didn't like either of them, they'd be these 12 students who said they didn't like either of them. Okay, so out of 40 students, remove the 12 who didn't like either, you're going to have 28, and they'll like at least one. I don't know which they'll like, but I do know that in total, 28 people expressed a preference for either an apple pie or a chocolate. So how do we relate these? So we know how many people liked apple, we know how many people liked chocolate, but there's this special number x that we're looking for, the number of students who liked both. Okay. And so we can write 18 as the people who just like apple, and the people who like both apple and chocolate. And we can write 15 as the people who just like chocolate, and also the people who like both chocolate and apple pie. You'll see the same number of people appear in both groups, because they like both types of dessert. Now we know 28 people like these desserts, and so that should be A plus C plus X. Just apple pie, just chocolate cake, or both. Those are the only possibilities. Okay? Now, how can we use this to figure out what X is? Well, if I do 18 plus 15, which is 33, I'm going to get A plus X plus C plus X. Now, I know A plus X plus C is this 28. So we'll get 28 plus X is 33. Subtract 28 from both sides, and you'll get X is 5. 5 people liked both. And that means exactly 10 liked chocolate cake, 13 liked apple pie, and 12 liked neither. So now we understand the whole situation together. But we're looking for 5 in our answers, and it's at the very end. So there we go. And we bubble in E. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you for question number 19 in the next video. And if you haven't given it a try, see what you can make of it before watching the next video.